Good, y'all? Back with Streets. Freestyle Cooker with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Of course, I got another quick dinner I'm sharing with y'all. Some real easy, delicious, like always. You know how I put it down. You know how I do it here on Freestyle Cooking with Streets. All right? So we're going to go right in. As you can see, I got 2 chicken breasts on the table. So tonight, we're going to do stuffed chicken breasts wrapped in bacon. All right? We're going to get it in, y'all. Real easy, real quick. All right? Now, first, what I want to do is I want to cut into my breast. Now, this one breast I already started to cut into it and open it up. Okay? This breast, I'm going to do the same thing. Take the fat side, cut along the side with a sharp knife. Here we go. Move this so I can get a better look. All right, and I just want to slowly just start to break it down like that. Just like that, y'all. So we can get our breast open so we get that, so we can get to the inside. Okay, now that we got our breast open, I'm gonna go ahead and close them up. Add some salt. Some pepper. Same thing on the other side. All right. Turning over. Open it up. All right. Now on the inside, just a pinch, y'all, because I got just a pinch of salt, y'all, because I already got salt and pepper on the outside. Just a tad bit. I'm gonna also add some oregano. All right. And I'm gonna also use some of my Slap Your Mama seasoning, y'all. All right. You don't got to slap your mama. You got some Creole seasoning. You could use that. If not, salt and pepper and oregano is just fine. Okay. All right. Next, I got some pizza sauce. You know, I just picked up some pizza sauce out the store that I already had in the refrigerator that I use to make pizzas. You know, you can make your own sauce if you want, but like I said, this is just a real quick dinner, y'all. Real quick. I'm sharing it with y'all, bringing it to y'all. You know how I do. Okay, so just grab a can of pizza sauce, and you're good to go. All right. So the pizza sauce, we're gonna spread it over our breast. Now, once I got my sauce on there, y'all, I got some. Next, I'm gonna add some pepperoni. Okay, I got some turkey pepperoni, but you can use whatever kind of pepperoni you like. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead put our pepperoni up on there. Okay, there we go. All right, love this pepperoni, y'all. Put these extra pieces up on there. Yep. Okay, now I got some Gouda cheese. Some Gouda cheese that I had in the fridge. Break up in pieces and add it to my chicken, y'all. Alright, you don't got Gouda, you can use cheddar, Montgomery, whatever your favorite cheese is, y'all. Or you could just get some Gouda from the market and dry it out. Next, I'm going to add some shredded mozzarella. Some shredded mozzarella. Alright, now that I got my mozzarella up on there, go ahead and close our chicken. Go. Like that. Boom. Now that I got my breast closed, stuffed up, got them on a plate. I'm gonna put a wrap on top of this and put it in the refrigerator for about a half hour, y'all. You let it chill, okay? While it's in the refrigerator, preheat your oven to 375, and we're gonna go ahead and get this bacon ready. Let's do it! All right, we back. Got my breast up out the refrigerator, unwrapped, nice and chill. Got my bacon. We about to get them rolled up, y'all. Okay. Boom. Okay, so we're gonna begin to roll our breast up in the bacon just like this. I'm using about 6 strips of bacon. Boom. Boom. We got both our breasts wrapped up in the turkey bacon, ready to go in the oven. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the oven for about, depending on the size of your turkey breast, mine are kind of thick and husky, as you can see. I got nice thick pieces, so mine will have to probably stay in there for like 45 minutes or longer. The thinner, the shorter the time. But we're gonna put this in there for about almost an hour, y'all. All right, and then come back. Let's do it. All right, y'all. We got our stuffed breast up out the oven. Go ahead and cut one, y'all. There we go. Looking real nice. All right. Oh yeah, there we go. Here we go, y'all. That's how we doing it, man. That's how we doing it, y'all. Real quick, real easy. Feel me? Real quick and easy, y'all. Stuffed breast wrapped in bacon, y'all. Alright, please subscribe, share, like, hit that notification for more videos. You know what I mean? So I can keep this coming to y'all. Had to do it to y'all real quick, man. Appreciate y'all watching. Holla.